Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure affiliate partnerships with ShareASale, detailed guide step by step clearly. To secure affiliate partnerships with ShareASale, start by visiting the ShareASale website. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information to register. Once registered, log in to your affiliate dashboard. Explore the available merchant programs within the platform. Use the search function to find niche-specific merchants. Review each merchant's details, including commission rates and payout structure. Pay attention to the merchant's terms and conditions. Choose the merchants that align with your content and target audience. Apply to join the selected merchant programs. Craft a personalized application message for each program. Highlight your experience, content type, and audience demographics in your application. Be clear about how you plan to promote the merchant's products or services. Once accepted, access marketing tools provided by the merchant. These tools may include banners, links, and promotional materials. Integrate the provided links and banners into your content seamlessly. Use honest and transparent promotion strategies for best results. Monitor your performance using the tracking tools available on ShareASale. Adjust your strategies based on the data you collect. Continue to build relationships with merchants for future collaborations. Stay updated on new merchants joining ShareASale. Regularly review your performance to identify successful partnerships. Engage with the ShareASale community for tips and support. Be proactive in finding new opportunities within the affiliate network. Consistency and relationship building are key to long-term success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.